Hi cruisers, we're back for a new week and a further 3 major stories. Is there redemption for Carnival Breeze? A nasty fall on a major cruise ship leads to a lawsuit, and stick around until the end when propulsion issues affect Alaskan itineraries. And why not drop us a happy face emoji in the comments as a show of support. Talk about a comeback story. Carnival Breeze shocked the cruise world after scoring just 86 points in a CDC vessel sanitation program inspection on May 14th, barely avoiding failure by a single point. But now here we are in June, Carnival says the ship is fighting back. 30 of the 36 violations have already been fixed, with crew members retrained, food safety procedure tightened, and sanitation issues addressed immediately. Some repairs include galley equipment fixes and corrosion work at Tides Bar on Deck 10 are still underway as parts arrive. One recommendation, the UV disinfection for the Deck 12 thalassotherapy pool won't be added for now. The ship, built in 2011, is next scheduled for dry dock in late February next year, when further upgrades could be on the table. A Florida passenger is suing Royal Caribbean after a nasty fall aboard Jewel of the Seas during a Caribbean sailing on June 22nd last year. According to the lawsuit filed on May the 18th this year in the Southern District of Florida, Colleen Parsons says she tripped over a mobility scooter left in a walkway inside the Casino Royale on Deck 6 while the ship was sailing from Fort Lauderdale on a Caribbean and Bahamas itinerary. Now, after suffering a fractured left wrist that required surgery, Parsons filed a negligence lawsuit against Royal Caribbean. She claims the cruise line failed to keep walkways safe and enforce scooter parking rules. Royal Caribbean hasn't publicly commented, but the case is already sparking debate across the cruise industry. Cruise fans, this is the kind of Alaska cruise nightmare nobody wants to wake up to. Holland America's Zaandam hit serious propulsion problems during its 7-night Alaska voyage that began on June the 3rd. Now, after arriving in Juneau in Alaska on June the 5th, the ship was forced into an extended repair stop and will now skip Skagway, Ketchikan, and even the iconic Glacier Bay scenic cruising experience. Instead, the vessel will sail directly to Vancouver in British Columbia, arriving as scheduled on June the 10th. To ease the disappointment, Holland America is offering guests a 50% cruise fare refund and a 50% future cruise credit. The fate of the next Vancouver departure on June the 10th remains unclear. And the answer to the previous quiz question was Sweden. What is the whale tail on a Carnival cruise ship? And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.